anyone. Thank you.
Let me guess, that's Daniel.
Alright, y'all, I've been told to be quiet again. If any of you guys want to eat cookies with us, feel free to join us. Just kidding. There's orders. Can't come back here.
God bless you.
Not to touch the ones, you're not touching anything that's waiting.
Chuck, how many times do I have to say stop saying that word? Stop! I don't like hot sauce. Yo, it's scary. Hot. That's good. Oh my gosh. See what I mean? She just said it's burning her nose. That's not good. The food's not supposed to burn until you eat it. Why is it burning your nose? I'm gonna stay over here. Alright, Chuck, it's time to sanitize your hands.